안녕하세요. I am Korean teacher Park. From now on, anyone can read Korean project. Start. Today, lesson 4. We will study 5 vowels. First, is sound 으, 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 으. Second, 에, 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 에. Third, almost same in front, this sound, 에, 에, 에. Both are similar, very similar, almost same. It sounds 에. Next, it sounds 왜, 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 왜. Last, 위, 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 위. Let's practice again. Oh, this letter shaped like flat, right? So you make the shape of your mouth flat like this letter shape. Your mouth flat like this letter, it sounds 으, 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 으. Write like this. 으, 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 으. It sounds 에, 에, 에. It sounds similar to the AE sound in English. 에, 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 에. Write like this. First, second, third. It sounds 에, 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 에. Yes, it's same sound. A, E sound. 에, 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 에. We already studied this letter sound, 에, right? This sound, yes, same. Write like this. 에, 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 에. It sounds similar to the WAE sound in English. 왜, 왜, 왜. Write like this. First, you can write O sound letter and E sound letter. It sounds 왜, 왜, 왜. Your mouth first speak O sound and S sound together. 왜, 왜, 왜. It sounds similar to the WE sound in English. We, 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 we. Write like this. First, you can write U sound and write E sound. So how to say? We, we, we. 위. You speak U sound and together speak E sound. We. Do you remember these 5 consonants? First, how to say? Yes. 드. Second, 트. Third, 뜨. Fourth, 느. Last, 르. 드, 트, 뜨, 느, 르. 드, 트, 뜨, 느, 르. Let's practice using the consonants we learned before. First, how to speak, how to read this sound. Yes, the sound with sound together. the, together. the is sound. the. Next, t sound with s sound together. 태. 트에 태. Next, 뜨 sound with s sound. 뜨에 때. Next, 느 sound with 왜 sound. 뇌. Next, 르 sound with 위 sound together. 르위. Using today studied Korean letters, we study today's basic words. First, how to read. 아프다, right? It means pain. Oh, I'm pain. It say 아프다. Second, how to read. 배, right? What means 배? It means 3 means in Korean. First, boat, and we eat pear, and my belly, so 3 means in 배. Third, how to read? Yes, 네. It means yes. Korean, you can say yes. Korean, from now on you can say yes. 네. And next, how to read? Yes, 뇌. What means 뇌? It means brain. 뇌. It means brain. 뇌. Last, how to read? Yes, 위. We mean, we have 2 means. First is upside, upside, and stomach. So 배 with we is different. One is means belly, one is inside, man inside stomach. Is say we. Next, we will study 5 consonants. Please check 5 consonants. Thanks for watching.